No screaming. What's they screaming for? Why you guys screaming? Well, I thought you guys an accident. You bet guys. La. Next time you scream, I'm not gonna go there because I thought you guys playing. I hear screaming. It's not you, but you can hear your sister screaming, correct? Okay, then Jade, you should say Jade is the one screaming. See, you're wearing your coat, Jade. What is that for? Put it back. No, you don't in case. Dilana, look. Come here, look at that. Look, see. What do you call on that one? Oh, Dawn's gonna go to the swimming pool. Go get a stick. Oh, yeah. No, she did not. I didn't receive anything. Honey, I think you need to clean this one. Yeah, I think you really need to put more. Yeah. Thank you, Chai. Hello, Des. Hello, Princess. Ayan, linis lang tayo. Pinalitan na yung tubig eh. Kaya lang, open kasi siya. Kailangan talaga ng every morning nalilinis. Ano lang naman, mga grass lang naman siya. Saka, sila-sila lang naman yan eh. Ang init ngayon, guys. What are you doing? Take that off. Don't do that. Put that in your thingy. What thingy? Whew. What are you doing? Are you done? Go get you're too hot. Go in there. You're too hot there. Okay. Oh, there's the tree. Look, the tree is covering it. There's no tree covering that thing. See, that's tree. That's why you're not hot there. Hello, Maricar. Hello. Back to back to home na. Pagoda sa biyahe. Ngayon, walang katapusan trabaho tapos eto, no? Bata. Non-stop ng trabaho, guys. Where you going? You have to go on the thingy. You have to go there. Really? Okay, you can drive now, Jade. Bye. Is that her turn? Oh, oh. No, no, don't take it off. No, there's a lot of bugs, anak. That's where. Are you gonna go in town? She wanna take it off.